Utility maximization is a fundamental concept in economics, particularly in the field of consumer choice theory. It refers to the idea that individuals, households, or consumers aim to maximize their satisfaction or well-being, known as utility, when making choices about how to allocate their limited resources among various goods and services. Utility is a theoretical measure of the satisfaction or happiness that individuals derive from consuming goods and services. It is a subjective concept, meaning it varies from person to person and situation to situation. Consumers face budget constraints because they have limited income to spend on various goods and services. To maximize utility, consumers must decide how to allocate their budget to purchase different combinations of goods and services. The budget constraint represents the limits of what a consumer can afford. It is determined by the consumer's income and the prices of goods and services. Indifference curves are graphical representations that show various combinations of two goods that provide the same level of utility or satisfaction to the consumer. These curves typically slope downward from left to right. To make choices, consumers compare the marginal utility they derive from consuming one more unit of a good to its price. Rational consumers allocate their resources in such a way that the marginal utility per dollar spent is equal for all goods. The point where the highest attainable indifference curve is tangent to the budget constraint represents the optimal consumption bundle.